Hello, and thank you for joining us in our presentation of The Paperless Office 2010. Most of us know that the world is literally drowning in documents. Just close your eyes for a moment and imagine a company that is completely effective, completely efficient, never bogged down by pieces of paper and documents flying back and forth in files and folders and filing cabinets. And imagine never ever having to worry about losing a document or returning a document to a file folder or a filing cabinet. Imagine being able to capture the documents the moment they walk into the office, being able to route them and deliver them electronically, regardless of what format or where they came from, simulating your processes electronically without having to reinvent and re-engineer the organization, and finding whatever you're looking for in just mere seconds. This is Imaging 101. Documents can be captured in a variety of manners, from scanners that range in sizes from desktop to fully enterprise-wide, from 20 pages per minute to well over 400 pages per minute, from your favorite Microsoft Office applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Microsoft Outlook, or even from the Microsoft Windows Filer. How does it work? The first step is logging in. The Imaging 101 system is a very secure system, and users will see or not see whatever they need or don't need based on rights and security options assigned to them by system administrators. Once you log in, you will see a basic menu, and again, which options you see will be based on what security rights you have. If we were to click on image retrieval, to find an item, all we need to do is type in something that we know about it. In this case, we're going to key in the client number, 33333. By hitting enter or clicking the find button, we will then be offered a list of all documents that match whichever criteria we selected. We could have also said, for this particular client, give me only customer retention documents. In the scenario you see here on the screen, we would have only seen 2 documents. Or you could have also selected any combination of those, including a range of dates. You could also ask to receive all compliance-related documents, regardless of which client they belong to, or which vendor, whichever the case may be. Just as important, just as powerful. Once you select an item, you simply double-click it or click the Open button, and you can open multiple documents at the same time also and view them side by side. You now have the ability to view the document, zoom in or out of the document. You can even place annotations on the document without ever worrying about modifying the original document. It's almost as if you had a plastic template placed on top of the document where you can make all your notes, all your annotations, all your stickies and text notes, highlights. And then, with a single click of the View Annotations checkbox, you can take those away and see the original document in its original format. Never worrying about having overwritten anything from a legal standpoint. Imaging 101 can also be integrated with most line of business applications very easily. In this particular example, we're seeing the integration between a CreditSoft, which is a customer relationship management system used by the credit counseling industry. By locating the client and hitting a button on the line of business application, in this case the CreditSoft, it would automatically open a window that would display at customer choice either a list of documents available for that particular client or open a specific document such as a particular invoice or statement. The Imaging 101 workflow management system is extremely flexible, extremely powerful, and allows system administrators to manage the entire process. It's very simple to use, just like an email system essentially, except for one little difference, that there is only one copy of any given document at any given time in the entire system. Unlike email, where whenever you route documents across in an email, you're creating duplicates. You're actually multiplying the problem by creating multiple copies. If you photocopy a document, you're creating multiple copies. With Imaging 101, when you route documents, you're routing a pointer to one exact document. The same document everyone will see, and any notes that anyone makes on the document will be immediately visible to other users. System administrators can manage how long items have been in the system from the moment they arrived into or were captured into the system, or since the moment they have been entered in a specific queue or handed to a specific user. As I mentioned earlier, the system is completely based on very tight, very granular security. Among the benefits are the ability to deliver and share documents with anyone within seconds. To be able to deliver pretty much any type of document, regardless of the source or type, based on even some predefined rules. Being able to automatically assign priority and status to documents or to systems to be able to handle them first come, first served, and to make sure that you handle the most important items first. To be able to automatically redirect problems to supervisors when needed. The system can be managed, and supervisors can stay on top of what's going on with documents and with their employees at all times. And again, being able to manage pretty much any type of document with over 200 file formats. And just as important, if not more important, being able to finally back up all your business documents, all your mission critical information can finally now, because they are in an electronic format, be completely backed up either on-site, off-site, or over the wire, over the internet. And this will protect you against any type of catastrophic event. Imaging 101 fills an incredible need in the small and medium-sized business. It's amazingly powerful, incredibly efficient, can handle limitless quantities of documents and numbers of users. It's extremely user-friendly. Some of the features available in Imaging 101 are not even available on very, very expensive systems. It comes at a very attractive price point. It is very easy and quick to install and requires very, very little involvement with your IT staff and or your administrators and managers. These are the reasons that most business users of imaging systems say that they purchase systems. Improve efficiency, gain faster turnaround to reduce costs and better customer service, and improve their regulatory compliance. Imaging 101 can give you the ability to save time and money now, to be as paperless as possible today, and be completely prepared for the fully paperless office of the future. Imaging 101 is very affordable. You can measure the results extremely quickly, and your return on investment is quicker than you can imagine. Industry analysts have performed studies trying to understand the true cost of handling paper. The bottom line is that paper processing is 22 times more expensive than processing documents electronically. Here's just one perfect example of the total cost of employees handling documents. For just 10 employees, saving a little bit of time every day to handling documents at a very, very low hourly rate, your company could easily save $52,000, and the cost of your system wouldn't be anywhere near that. The majority of companies who've deployed imaging and document imaging technologies and document management technologies, they're known by a lot of names, but it's essentially the same thing. The majority of companies who have deployed the imaging technologies or document management technologies have said that it performed as expected, better than expected in terms of return on investment and payback. The Imaging 101 software has been in development since 1986. The software is extremely mature and market tested, and we have a very, very experienced staff. The Imaging 101 product has been described by most of our clients as an indispensable tool, a critical tool, strategic, and just as important to their day-to-day operations as just about any other system that they have in-house. This is from accounting to CRM systems, ERM, email, and recently they've even told us that even as important as their phone system, Imaging 101 provides you with guaranteed performance. It has been tested in the market by thousands of users across the entire United States, Canada, and Central America. You can dramatically improve your business and transform your organization to deliver outstanding process improvements and much stronger, much more reasonable ROI. We have formed strategic alliances and have received certification as independent software vendors by most of the largest companies in the world. Imaging 101 is powered by technology from some of the largest global companies. The Imaging 101 is based on a very, very comprehensive set of plug-in tools and modules. You don't have to worry about these details. We worry about this for you. Imaging 101 can help you get your paper and electronic documents organized electronically, easily and affordably. Again, thank you very much for your time. We appreciate you spending the time with us. For more information, please contact Mike Russo at 954-659-3101 or email him at mike@imaging101.com. And please visit us on the web at www.imaging101.com.